first corner. Very nice indeed. Is that bald-headed woman? Weird lyric. Right, OK, out of Chicago, still looking pretty tidy and very pretty indeed. Hammerhead, will this expose any problems? Not a bit of it. If I had a criticism, it's this car is almost too technical, too precise. Still better than a 430. Now, follow through. Yep, lovely, around 570 horsepower, working hard, quick through the tyres and sounding good. 2 corners left, like Tom Cruise in our Kia. This car is so smooth, makes it look effortless through Gambon on all 4 wheels. Lotus Elan! OK. Now, here's James's car, look. The Ferrari 430, 1 month, 22 days, and 9 hours. 458. 119.1. So look at that. Almost exactly the same time as an Enzo.
Kind of makes the Enzo look a bit skinny, doesn't it, really? And maybe James should get an Enzo now. Give me the right car. Now, just briefly, has anybody this week seen this in the newspapers? I mean, it's the most ridiculous. I think it was actually an accident thing. No, it was an accident, because what she actually said was revolting, but it came out like fantastic. That's what she was... No, it's just...
No, I think actually what's happened here is they've had to cut the quote to make it fit on the newspaper, and they've had to take out "an imbecile, but James May is."
Yeah.
Which would have gone in.
No, she didn't say that, James, because you didn't say one word to her when she was down here. Or you... Honestly, Tom Cruise arrived last week. These two, oh, Tom, I've got an old motorbike as well. Would you like to come? You can wear leather trousers and go off into the countryside and drink